Ukrainian drone operators are staying busy, being responsible for damage and destroy thousands of Russian equipment, with no slowdown in the horizon. As hard to defend against, a cope cage can easily be avoided by Ukrainian drones. With lower protected targets such as BMP, many drones can hit anywhere on the vehicle to be effective, as seen with 2 strikes of Ukrainian drones hitting the front section of the BMP. As the first drone blow a hole in the front armor, the second makes sure the BMP won't be brought back into service, as it caused an internal fire, destroying the already heavily damaged BMP, taking it out of any future battle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.